Hey guys, welcome to the Nifty Outlook video. So it's been a while since I did this, so I thought why not start again because I know a few people were following me for this Nifty Outlook on a daily basis. So let's get started. So I'll try to post these Nifty Outlook videos on a daily basis going forward. So yeah, so Nifty has been going sideways of late, in the last couple of weeks. But actually what has happened in Nifty is that we had this nice breakout in the month of May, somewhere here, and we had this follow through breakout here, and then since then we were trending up, and since last 2 weeks we've been trending sideways. So just to give you a perspective on the trend lines and how it's been forming, so since this breakout over here, if you see and if you connect this trend line like this, you see that the first breakdown happened on the 8th of June. Not the breakdown, but the price started coming out of the trend line, and then we had a breakdown on the 9th of June, and since then we've been going sideways. But since this bottom in April, and if you connect this point, and if you just drag the line up, you have another beautiful trend line where we see the price has taken support on the 18th of June when there was a panic sell-off, but we managed to close above 15,600 levels. So that's the trend line that I'm looking at in the short term, or in the next couple of weeks, and we should not break this trend line if we are going to go up. Okay. So that's the trend line. And here, if you connect this point to this point, you also see that we are starting to form a very symmetrical triangle kind of a structure. And we are probably, 3, 4 days away from a breakout on the upside or a breakdown on the downside. I'm just going to zoom on the hourly charts just to give you a better perspective of what's actually happening. Now, this was the trend line that I was showing you. So if you connect this lowest point and if you just drag this point, I'm just going to hide this or delete this. If you drag this, you see that we are clearly taking support around this price over here, right? So tomorrow, if you're going to trade Nifty tomorrow, so right now we have broken this short-term downtrend, which was happening for the last couple of days, and we are right now up. And if you see any dip towards the lower end of the channel tomorrow or any sideways movements, then probably you can probably go long on a Nifty with a stop loss around 15,819 on the Nifty futures. Otherwise, if you want to wait, you can wait for the price to dip all the way towards the trend line and you can go long. And probably we should not see Nifty going below 15,670 levels, because if you're going to go below that, we are going to probably break the trend line, right? So if you're going to go below that, we're going to probably break the trend line and that would be start a new downtrend. However, on the upside, so once we break, today's high around 1,008, sorry, 15,850 levels or 15,860, 15,850 to 15,870 levels, then probably you're going to see fresh all-time highs again. Okay, so that's the Nifty plan for tomorrow. I hope this was helpful, and do let me know if you have any questions in the comments.